Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm at the photo for the active income, um, which you can click on active income on the logo above this video or the one below. Click here, and you can get to the page for the print on demand active income slogans and logos that I've made or that I'm making. I'm making another one here to teach you, to teach you and show you um, um, how to do this, which is, it's really, really, really basic and really, really simple. I recommend Printful because they will teach you, they will show you what to do, and they give you, start you off for free, so they give you a free account. So if you win, they win. So that's a good, which is a good idea, I think, you see. Um, and yeah. So this is what it is. It's to do with hoodies and caps and t-shirts and mugs and anything like that. And the print, it's called print on demand. Okay. So without further ado, let's get on with it, shall we? We'll create some more. I'll create because I do this on the fly. I've done this with every video, So oh, see, I'm going to be saying another one. This one is really controversial. You see, oh, this one, you're not going to like this one. This one is not very nice, this one, but it's the truth, and nevertheless. Yeah, you see? Oh, okay, oh, sorry, I've got to look down because of my damn, I'm not a typist. Uh, you see, so this is really simple to do, right? It's not that hard. It's really simple. And this is a controversial one, but it's, for the Westerners, this is not, this is something that they don't really understand. They think they're rich, but oh, no. This is not the domain of the 1%. That's for sure. No way. The 1% don't live here. No, they don't. They certainly don't. They don't, and they understand this one, right? There, active income equals poverty, right? Now, you think that's not true? Well, you can think what you like. Just remember that. But it's true. It is poverty because you've got to be there. You only got 24 hours. You got to be present. You don't get paid unless you do, unless you are. Okay, that's how it is, right? Active income. What does it have? See, you see, there's another one. This is another one, which people don't understand, right? See, this is another one that they don't understand, right? Right? That's another one, right? This is another one, right? Active income is the least secure. That's dead right because you don't want to get sick. You don't want to get hurt because why? What happens when that happens? Your income stops because you've got to be there. You've got to be present. You only have 24 hours. I know all this gambit. I can go through it. No problem. Yeah, but this is what you put on t-shirts and shirts and on clothing, on caps and whatever else. Why you teach people? Then they become aware of this, and they start to think. You see, because has anybody taught them this? No. Don't worry, the 1% have had to learn this, right? They know this. They know active income equals poverty. They know that. You see, and they know active income is the least secure, right? They know that too. You see? They know, right? That's what they know. They know what they know. And you're stuck with this, eh? That's what you are. You're stuck with it. And what does that produce? What does active income produce? You know? I mean, this is the next one. This is the next one, right? This is what it produces. This is where it lies. The British people know this too. Oh, That is a mistake. It has a limited future. That's dead right. It has a limited future. You know, you can be sacked. You can be got rid of. You can be laid off. Limited future, right? You're not secure in that. See, so these three I've come off on the fly, right? Just right in front of you. This is for your caps, hats, you know, your hoodies, and, you know, your t-shirts, whatever you want to put it on, see? But you're educating people. You're giving people a chance to think for a minute, to stop and think. Active income equals poverty, and it does. You know, where's the security in that? There isn't any. There isn't any security. It's the least secure, see? Active income is the least secure. And it is, that's true. You can be sacked. You can be laid off. Don't get hurt, right? Because you lose your income. Don't get sick because you lose your income. See? Your income stops. See? Active income has a limited future. Yes, because if you can get, why? Because you can get laid off. You see, you can get sacked, as COVID-19 has shown many people, because they were on what? Active income. The worst income. And it is. You know, it is, as I said, and it equals poverty. That's what it does, because if you lose your job, you get hurt, you get sick, and you get you get laid off. What are you dumped into? Poverty. You know, some people get, you know, so it's so bad for some people they end up on the street, you know, homeless. You know, this is how it is, right? Because it's poverty. And the Western world, which is the richest place, you know, that's supposed to be wealthy, you know, but that's not what we've been taught, are we? Are we not been taught that? We've been taught poverty, which is active income, which active income equals poverty. Active income is an hourly rate. See? The worst thing you can be taught. And you put this on and teach people, you know, what's going on in their lives, because they don't know. Nobody knows. They don't know this stuff. They really don't. So, you know, I recommend you do this, and I really do get involved. Teach people what they need to know. For goodness sake, you know, stop relying on the active income, because it's not got no future. It's limited. And I've told you on this, I'm teaching you what you need to know, as well as it's showing you how easy and simple it is to create these logos and these, you know, and these slogans for the product that Printful supplies, right? For your t-shirts and your hats and your caps, you know, and your mugs and your hoodies and your jackets. You know, I mean, you stick it on the back of a jacket, stick it on the back of a t-shirt, or stick it on the front of a t-shirt. I'll show you. You know, this is how it is. I'll show you. Right? And it's there. See, there's a girl there with a hoodie, and she's saying, your design here." And this is what Printful encourages. Now you've got the chance to educate people, right? I know this stuff, so I'm telling you, right? Active income is the worst income you want to be. Is no good. It's no good. You want to break away from that. Keep your active income, right? And get into something else. It's incredibly important to you, you know, because it's poverty otherwise. That's what it is, you know. So I'll show you another thing. It's here. Yeah. Here's my account. This is a free account. I didn't pay for it, which like what some of the others will charge you for this, but I didn't, you know. So they're showing you at Printful exactly what the best sellers are. T-shirts, hats, and mugs. And you got a mat here too, see? There it is there. That's another one. So, you know, and they teach you how to do this. I mean, what could be better? And it's all done for free. They want you to make money so they can make money. I mean, that's the way that business should be done. I mean, that's how I think. And you get points for everything you do, see? And to get you to where you need to be, right? And then here you are, how to start a print-on-demand business for beginners, right? See? I'm recommending this stuff because I know what the serious limitations are for this. This one is really bad. Active income, it's the worst. And you got your fashion guide, you got your Printful Academy, and that's videos teaching you what to do, product templates. So they'll teach you how to set that up as well. So you've got all these guides. You see, you've got tips and guides and everything. They do everything to try and it's all done for free. You know, this is the way to run a business. You know, they want you to succeed. Get off active income. You know, it's the worst. It's the pits. You know, and people, you know, I'm telling you why it is. And who else has done that for you? Nobody. See? So get to help others. You know, do the right thing. Active income equals poverty. That's dead right. And most people don't understand that they're broke, because they are. See? They're broke. That's a fact. Active income is the least secure, and that's true. You know, that's right. There's no security in active income. There's none. You know, you can be laid off. You know, you don't get sick, right? And don't get injured, because you lose your income. See, any of those two happen to you, you're gone. The income's gone. Active income has a limited future. Yeah, that's right, because you don't know when the axe is going to fall and you're going to lose your job, which has happened on COVID-19, right? Hasn't it happened? Hey, see? So I mean, you know, it's the worst one to be on. So I'm telling you, right? Do this for others. Get involved with Printful, because Printful is not active income, right? And this is something you've got to understand. Because I tell you one thing, mate, the government ain't going to take care of you. It's a company, a corporation, and the purpose of a company, a corporation, is to make a profit. And who are they making a profit off? You. Okay? Understand that. I'm trying to teach you so that this business that I'm telling you about is a business you can do, and it's not hard. It's simple. It's easy, right? And it's for free. You can do it for free, right? You can start off for free. See, get off active income, worst income there is. You know, because there's only, all it equals is poverty. That's all. Okay. Now I'm telling you, all right. This is the reason why you got to do this. There's a reason. See. Okay. So if you like this video, you know, smash the like button. If you want to hear more, then smash the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. And the thing is, has anybody else told you this? Has all the YouTubers told you this? Has any YouTuber told you this? No, because they don't know. They're ignorant. Okay? So, start your own business, your own Printful business. Okay? And thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video, because I'm going to make another one. This is the thing, you know, people need to know this stuff. Okay, thank you, and I'll see you again. Bye.